Ratios are a way to compare two things simply using numbers. So when I look at some of these problems, I realize sometimes that they have symbols with the numbers, so it's hard to compare them just with numbers. When I look at this first one, it's comparing 5 meters to 19 centimeters. And that's going to be a little bit hard because they're different amounts. So if I change the meters into centimeters, so they match this, it'll be easier to compare. So I know that in every meter there's 100 centimeters, so 5 meters must be 500 centimeters. And if now I compare my 500 centimeters to 19 centimeters, it's much easier to compare them. I can actually drop the centimeters and just say that the relationship is 500 to 19. If I look at my next one, milliliters to liters, I can't compare both milliliters and liters. They're two different amounts. So I'm going to change my 1.2 liters into milliliters. So I'm going to keep 13 milliliters the same. And I'm going to think that I know there's 1,000 milliliters in every liter. So if this is 1 liter, 1.2 must be 1,200 milliliters. And now that I have them in milliliters, I can just drop the milliliters and just say this is a comparison amount of 13 to 1,200. Try the next one, pause it here, and see how you do. When I go to compare ounces and pounds, obviously they're two different amounts. But I know there's 16 ounces in every pound, so 2 pounds must have 32 ounces in it. So if I now compare 31 ounces to 32 ounces, I can just drop the ounces and say that this is a comparison of 31 to 32.